Hi, I know you have come here for a reason. Even if you do not know, you are looking for something and you haven't got that answer from anywhere else. What if you get your answer here? On an average day, an average person have about 40 to 70,000 thoughts per day. And you are not even aware how many thoughts you have had. Imagine the amount of thoughts, feelings, and emotions you have had all your life. And these thoughts, feelings, and emotions have been creating whatever life that you have right now. If you are feeling stuck, what if these thoughts are the ones which are stopping you? Would you like to let go of these thoughts, feelings, and emotions? Would you like to live a life which is more expansive rather than contracting into your shell? Would you like to have a life which has more ease, joy, and glory? Would you like to have a life where you are more free? Would you like to come and join this workshop, which can give you a lot of healing emotionally, mentally, as well as physically? Would you like to sleep better? Making decisions is part of your life, but after this workshop, you would be able to make choices and not decisions. Thinking is thinking. It has not helped you, it has only increased the amount of complexity in your life. Come and join me. Access Bars is one of the workshops which can bring more ease, more joy, more glory to your life. Do not hear logic because magic lies at the end of logic.